The sound of the lake. Ella sat quietly by the lake, her feet touching the cool water. The sun was setting, painting the sky with soft oranges and pinks. She closed her eyes and listened. The lake whispered in ripples, the breeze hummed through the trees, and birds sang their last songs of the day. For a moment, she felt like the world was breathing with her. A single leaf landed on the water, floating gently toward the shore. Ella smiled and whispered, "Thank you." Sometimes the world doesn't need to speak loudly. Its softest sounds can calm the loudest thoughts and remind us we belong here.